Hi guys, welcome to ITR Expert again. In this exercise, we will calculate how much money Sean and Jane make by selling old gadgets for a charity fundraising. Firstly, we need to calculate Sean and Jane partial incomes. The numbers we need to add up are placed in a series of consecutive cells, in this case in a column. As adding up numbers one by one is time-consuming, we can use the formula SUM instead using a simple plus calculation. The formula SUM can only be used to calculate totals, and the numbers we want to add up must be consecutive, either in a column or in a row. To apply this formula in our spreadsheet, we select the blue cell, where we want the total to show. We select the AutoSum function from the Home ribbon menu, then with the mouse we select the series of cells we want to add up and we press Enter. It is really important that we manually select the series of numbers using the mouse instead relying on the suggested selection, or at least check this is correct before finalizing the formula with Enter. As you can see, the suggested selection was wrong, as included the empty cell between the series of numbers and the total cell. Now in the green cell, we want to show who make the most money. Who is?
Sean.
Well done. Instead typing Sean, we will link the green cell with the cell with Sean's name. We click on the green cell, we start with equal, we click on Sean and we press Enter to finalize the formula. Sean and Jane decided to sell their CDs and DVDs together. We need to calculate how much money they will make by selling them. To calculate the money made by selling a product, we need to multiply the cost per unit by the numbers of unit. It is a simple multiplication. We start with equal, we select the cell cost each, we press the button times, we select the cell and numbers, and we finalize the formula with Enter. Again, we start with equal, we select cost each, times, we select numbers and Enter. Now we do the total made selling CDs and DVDs using AutoSum again and Enter to finalize the formula. To calculate the total money made, Sean and Jane need to add the individual money made selling their gadget plus the money made selling CDs and DVDs. As these values are not consecutive in a column or a row, we need to add the three totals one by one. So, we will use a simple plus calculation. We click on the green cell, we start with equal. We select the first total, then we type plus. We select the second total, then we type plus. We select the third total and we finalize the formula with Enter. As it is really important to understand the difference between using a simple plus calculation and using the formula sum to calculate a total from consecutive numbers, we will practice more in this task. How you can see, we have a series of numbers in column. Are these numbers consecutive?
Yes, they are. I will use the AutoSum. I will select the green cell, then click the AutoSum icon, then select the range of cells and then Enter.
Well done. Now we'll use the same formula. Select the cell. AutoSum. Select the range of cells and Enter. As you saw, the suggestion is right only if we do the total straight after the series of cells. Well done. Don't forget to save your work. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.